Okay, boys and girls, for our science activity today, we're going to test and see which substances will clean pennies better. I have 5 pennies that are all relatively the same amount of dirty. And I'm going to test 5 different substances. I've got some little dishes that I'm going to put them in. I'm going to use vinegar, dish soap, salt water, soy sauce, and lemon juice. And we're going to set it up, let it sit, give them a couple of hours, and then we'll clean them off and see which one comes out cleaner. Give me just a minute to set it up, and I'll show you how it looks. And then in a couple hours, we'll take a look and see how clean they get. Okay, so here is our setup. In this first bowl here is a penny with just vinegar. The next one there, that's kind of yellow, that is the penny in the lemon juice. The dark one in the back, that's the soy sauce, and it's so dark you can't even see the penny in there, but I promise you, there it is. It is. Then we have, this one here is the salt water, and this one is the dish soap. So I'm going to leave it set for a few hours, a couple hours, and then we will check and see. We'll scrub them off with a paper towel and see which one comes the cleanest. I just put enough of each item, each substance over the penny just to cover it. And you can see that my bowls are pretty shallow. I might need to add a little bit more soap to that one. But it's just enough to cover the penny in the bowl. So it doesn't need a lot. I'm going to add a little more soap. So set it up, let it sit, and in a little bit we will check the outcome. Bye.